contact lenses for the very first time in my life. A dream come true journey. Hello mga loves! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And to those new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today's video ay I hope na masasamahan nyo ako para mag-unbox ng aking pinaka-hihintay na product galing Shopee. I hope that you stay with me and finish this video and enjoy the moment together. So, samahan nyo ako sa aking excitement sa pagsusuot ng ating contact lens. So, ever since when I was still a young girl, pinangarap ko talaga na magkaroon ng blue eyes. So, ngayong araw, I hope na masasamahan nyo ako upang matupad ang aking mga pangarap. Isa sa aking mga pangarap na magkaroon ng blue eyes. So, ito lang yung isang bagay na naging pangarap ko since I was a little child. Hanggang edit-edit lang ako ng aking mga mata. Pag meron ako mga pictures na gusto ko magkaroon ng blue eyes, ayan, dyan lang tayo nagkakaroon ng blue eyes. But this time, nag-order na talaga ako from Shopee. And, by the way, my father is an optometrist. Hanggang ngayon, nagpa-practice pa rin siya. And, I can still remember when I first asked him na,
Pa, gusto ko magkaroon ng contact lens
kasi before, I used to wear eyeglasses. So, gusto ko na instead of wearing glasses, kasi, di ba, syempre yung glasses, I don't know if some of you have this discomfort na medyo mabigat siya dito, especially if your frame is, you know, yung kanyang weight is not that light. No, ako, pawisin ako eh. So, yung ilong ko, as in, and dito, ayan, pawis na pawis yan palagi. So, kahit ngayon, nagsasalita ako sa inyo, may pawis ako dito. If you zoom in this video, pawisin ako. So, ang aking pawis ay hindi nagmumula sa likod or sa kilikili, kundi dito sa aking ano ba tawag dito? Sa may nguso banda at saka sa ilong. Ayoko talaga magsuot ng glasses. So, sabi ko,
Pa, I really wanted to wear contact lens.
siyempre para, di ba, kung may kulay siya, parang angat ka sana. Para maganda tingnan. But, sabi ni Papa,
No, I don't advise you to wear contact lenses.
kasi nga, sensitive nga yung ano natin. If we wear contact lenses, kailangan talaga may extra care para sa ating mga mata. So, it would be best na glasses na lang daw ang gagamitin. But, this time, hindi na talaga ako napigilan ng papa ko kasi nag-order na ako sa Shopee. And this is not a prescription contact lens, but fashion siya. So, I bought two of these iShare na contact lenses, and the shades are brown, and the other one is blue. Tadang! It's dark brown yung eyes ko. And pag naiilawan, medyo nagla-light siya, medium brown lang siya. But I bought this one, sabi nila lighter daw ito na brown. And of course, ito yung aking ultimate na crush na mata, yung blue eyes, mga love. So I hope na masabayan nyo ako. As I unbox this one, hindi pa siya nabubuksan. So ito yung kanyang box. I don't know if it's clear there. So, this is from iShare, and syempre naman, dalawa yung laman niya, hindi pwede isa. Though, meron tayong sa Shopee na pwede kayong mag-order ng isa. So, you have to be very careful when you order from Shopee kasi merong mga stores that they only sell one. So, usually, ginagamit sa like mga Halloween na mga transformation, mga makeup transformation. So, pwede kang mag-order ng isa, lalo na pag, kunyari, yung kulay is red, merong mga black, at saka yung mga weird colors na ating mga lenses. So, this one, syempre, in-order ko dalawa para, di ba, kompleto naman yung ating look. Blue eyes. So, ito yan siya. It comes also with a container or a case. So, meron siyang nakalagay na left and right. So, when you use the lens, yung contact lens sa left eye, syempre, ilalagay nyo sa left na case. And if you have worn the lens sa right eye, yun lang din ang paglalagyan natin ng ating contact lens. So, in case na may mga infection or what, so, nasa designated na case lang siya. Okay? So, today, I'm so excited. Sorry, ganyan talaga ako. Dream come true ito sa akin, mga love. So, pasensya na if ganito yung aking emotion. Today is the day. Actually, I received this 1 days before, but I wasn't able to have a chance to unbox this one since hindi ako nakapag-order ng contact lens solution. So, kahapon, nagpabili ako kay hubby ng contact lens solution and I bought this one from EO. Tadang! So, ito yung ating picture, papalabas ko. Ayan, so, nabili ko sa EO for 99 pesos. O, diba? So, ching ching! 99 pesos. Mura lang siya. And this one is 145 ml. So, ilang gamitan na rin ito. And, sabi nila, sa instruction naman nito, once you have cleaned the case, of course, lalagyan natin to ng contact lens solution, pupunuin. Okay? So, just enough na hindi din mag-overflow when you close it. And then, doon natin isusok yung ating contact lens for 4 hours bago natin siyang magagamit. Okay, so yun ang instruction dito sa bottle na to. And, after that, after use, syempre, ilalagay natin sa malinis na solution. And then, etong solution can stay up to a month. Tama ba? Okay, I think up to a month. And if you're going to use the contact lens, ang sabi naman dito na this is good for 1 year. So, after 1 year, discard na daw siya. But we will check if the product is still intact. So, I don't know. We can still use it pag okay pa naman yung ating, depende yan sa ating pag-alaga. So, di ba ang babaw lang ng dream ko? Magkaroon ng blue eyes. Ayan, na-fulfill naman yung aking mga dreams about having a family, a loving husband, and 2 beautiful children. Yun, so yun lang naman yung aking ultimate na dream aside from having blue eyes.
Wow!
Di ba ang babaw? And yun, yung kahit simple lang na buhay, I'm having that. So I'm thankful. Naging pangarap ko naman maging artista at one time. Pero hindi yan ang will ni God. So this YouTube channel is one din na I could express yung aking artistic side. So, I hope na you would ride with me in my journey. Ayan, I'm so excited. So, I hope that you are too. Okay, so gagawin lang nating fast forward itong ating makeup. And then, after that, maglalagay na ako ng ating blue eyes na contact lens for the very first time in my life. Okay, ayan. Tapusin natin, wag kayong bumitaw. Okay mga loves, excited na ako. I'm gonna wear my contact lens ngayon and I'm gonna wash my hands muna and make my hands clean kasi I will be placing the contact lens dito sa aking palm and my hands should be very, very clean to avoid infection. So, yun. So, good luck to me. I'll be right back. Here, our contact lens solution. And with the use of this EO Flexwear solutions, ganito siya. And I'm gonna place it in the case. Alright? So, I will fill this up. Punuin daw. Kasi dito natin isusok yung ating contact lenses. Alright? So, puno na ang right and left. So, I'm gonna place it down. And I'm gonna open our yung ating contact lens. Okay, so I'm so manol. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one. Alright, so I'm so excited. Hindi ko ma-explain yung aking excitement mga loves. Yung heart ko talagang nagpa-pump. Ayan na siya. Oh my goodness. I hope I remember the instruction. Actually, so dito meron akong towel na ilalagay sa baba kasi I will be pouring the solution dito sa aking palm. And, oh my goodness. And I'm gonna clean it and rub it daw po, no? Softly. Oh no. Okay, so, well, ayan yung lumabas. Nag-epic fail ako, so I have to use, I can still remember na, kasi nasa bote yung mga ganito. I have to use, tawag nito, yung cotton buds to get it. Okay, wait. So mga loves, I still have the fluid sa kamay ko. And nilagyan ko lang ng fluid yung ating contact lens. Since, oh my goodness. Ayan na siya, ito na siya. So ilalagay ko sa palm ko. Make sure na naka-open siya. So, wala na siyang laman, mga loves. Nasa kamay ko na. Oh my goodness. Paano ba to? Sa ating tong nito. Lord. Okay, so, gagamitin ko lang ang aking kamay to place it on my eyes. Okay, so, sabi nila, you have to rub it clean. Ayan, so, I hope hindi ko masisira ang aking contact lens, mga loves. My goodness, I have to, ayan, few drops. And then, alright, I hope, maging tama ang pagkakalagay ko. So, I have it here. Oh, wish me luck, this is my first time, my goodness. Okay, so, when I'm ready, oh my goodness, so it's here. Sabi nila, I'm gonna use the camera. So, ayan, naiiyak ako, mga loves. So, sabi dito daw, dito sa baba. And, oh my goodness. So scared. Dumikit! Bye! Oh my, help! Wait. I remember meron akong kit dito na nabili from the mall. Kinakabahan ako, mga love. So, merong parang tong and something, and it's got this parang suction. Instead of using my fingers, I might be using this one. Kinakabahan ako, mga loves. Paano ba to? And I really... Oh my. Okay, let me try this one. Okay, so it says here... I'm so funny. Bakit ganon? I have to review the YouTube tutorial. So, okay, let's try. Sa baba daw ito. And, oh God. Ang hirap. God. Oh my goodness. I hope it doesn't see your eyes. Oh my. I'm so sorry. I really don't know how to use this. Mahirap. Sa tutorial ang dali-dali. Promise. It's folding. Naiiyak na ako. Ang hirap. So, dapat pala nilagay na ako ng contact lens. So, wala pa akong eye makeup kasi masisira siya. So, lesson learned. I couldn't put this last kasi it's my first time and naiiyak na ako, mga love. So, dapat tumingin ako sa taas. And why doesn't it? It's flipping over. Okay. Paano ba to? Oh my. Keeps on ano? Goodness. Drops. So I'm not gonna look at the camera. Dito na ako. There you go. Oh, bakit nahuhulog? Bakit siya nahuhulog? Help. Okay, again, one last try. Akala ko madali lang. Nabibensya ka agad eh. Sisira akong aking eye. Okay. Follow mo kasi yung nasa YouTube. Wait lang. Okay, so I have to hold this part here. And please don't. Okay. Again. Uy, ang hirap ah. oras na? Time is 6 o'clock na. Parang isang oras. Bago ito malagay yung blue eyes natin. Medyo nanibago lang talaga yung eyes ko sa foreign object. So, it looks kind of weird. Ayan, blue eyes. Nakakatakot siya mga loves. Parang hindi siya yung ine-expect ko na blue eyes na. Oh my. So, let's see sa other eye kung ilang oras na naman naabutin siya. So, I can feel na ano talaga siya, foreign object siya. Okay, so I'm gonna get my ring light and I'll check kung ano yung difference, if you can really see the, you know, the details ng aking iris. So, I'll be right back. Okay, mga loves. So, this is my eye, blue eye, with the ring light. So, success! Success! Okay! Here we go. So, good luck sa ating right eye. Naiiyak ako mga loves. So, here goes. So, maglalagay ako ng few drops of ating contact lens solution, mga 3 drops. And then, place it here. And, anong ko muna siya? Linisin na muna. Ganyan lang. You would rub it for like 20 seconds to get it clean. So, first time pa naman to ginamit, so hindi ko masyadong nilinisan. So, after I take this off, I should be doing yung mga sinabi dito sa guidelines ng ating contact lens solution. So, excited! I'm gonna place 3 drops of eye drop solution, and then I hope that I can pour this out here. Okay. Ayan na siya. So, ililipat ko na siya sa aking kabilang kamay. There goes. Oh. Oh my. Ayan na. Okay, so. Ayusin na natin ito. Oh my, so thank you so much for staying with me and hindi nyo ako iniwan sa ere. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I really appreciate your presence dito sa ating video, and I hope that you leave your comments down below what you think of this look. And ano yung mga suggestions nyo and mga requests if you have any. So let me know, and I hope you like this video. And please don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. And for those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification button para every time mag-upload ako ng video, you will be notified. So, kayo ang mauuna sa aking video. Okay, so see you next time sa ating next video. And thank you for watching. I love you all. God bless. To God be the glory.